All right, I'm here with my friend Christine, one of my first juice tribers that joined the juicing revolution. And I came to her house because I wanted her to taste one of my hormone juice recipes that I absolutely love. There's many, but this is a new one that I'm launching, and I want her to be the first one to try it out. So let's take a look. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is add spinach and kale. Obviously, I add that to all my juices. We're gonna get some celery in there, fresh cucumbers, honeydew melon, really good for your hormones, immune system, skin, fresh pineapples, 2 apples, 1 kiwi, 2 limes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cheers.
Time to drink.
Time to drink juice, the best.
I mean, it tastes so good. It should not
So
taste so
fresh.
good. It tastes like a island cocktail.
Exactly, it does.
It tastes like
and then
vacation.
you drink this and you're like on fire. Like it's just, you said it, euphoric. I always tell everybody this is euphoric.
It really is.
It does. And juicing, I'm telling you right now, ladies, happy wife, happy life. You're happy with juicing, your whole house is gonna radiate. I mean, it's the truth.
And the kids too.
And the kids too.
Yeah,
This is so good for kids.
I've got teenagers and they like the juice.
Yeah.
And it helps them too.
Absolutely, 100%.
But for me, it has become part of my life. I went to a tennis outing with my girlfriends. We stayed in Vail for the weekend, and we all like try to bring a value. What value do you bring? I brought my juicer, and the 3 of them were like, "Get me on this program." So we all just started juicing, and it really has made an impact. I'm a huge advocate, not only of yogis, but especially the program because of what it's done for me. And I don't see myself ever stopping. I prefer to put nutrients into my body, fuel my body, and I just really enjoy it.
So Christine, what's your favorite juice? Because I know I've given you a few recipes,
Yes.
but what's your favorite one?
My standard is the vegetable with the apple, celery, carrots, spinach, and orange, and beets, and ginger. I love that
And
one.
a dash of cinnamon, because she likes my AM crusher. That's the AM crusher. This is how I met Christine. I actually moved here from Miami to Colorado, and I moved here with work with TW Telecom, which is technology. And Christine has been a very successful corporate entrepreneur in technology too. And I remember meeting Christine through the CIO of PDC Energy, Jim Gawkey. I'll never forget. And we met in Marlowe's in downtown
Yes, we
for
did.
lunch. And I'll never forget that I saw her and it was instant, like we totally clicked, instant. And she was one of the first people that actually helped me because I did not know anyone in freaking Colorado in technology. And I'm like, Christine, please help me. Introduce me to some people.
Yeah, and that was a great meeting. Typically, people in technology, no offense to those in technology, we both were in it. They're not that interesting.
No.
Yogi was a light then as well. Like she's a ball of energy, and you just crave being around her. Like you're so easy to be around. Yogi.
And then, wait a minute, hold on a second, stay tuned. We lost contact because obviously I went through my roller coaster of life events while she was still married with kids. She had the normal life. I was the crazy one here. After I got married in 2021, I came out in the cover of the Timbers magazine with my husband, and I got a message from Christine. I remember she reaches out and she's like, "Holy cow, are you living the Timbers?" And we lost touch.
Yeah.
And we reconnected, and she lives a mile away from me, and it's been awesome because now I can use her pool in the summer.
Anytime she wants.
And we've become closer.
Yes.
And it's been a really good experience. I mean, she's awesome. I love her.
Yeah, she is. And you literally have changed my health and my mental state just by this program.
Yeah.
It is helping me feel great.
Yeah.
And you are such an inspiration, sincerely.
Thank you.
Sincerely.
No, I do. I mean, for me, I fell in love with this. And my goal is, honestly, I want to help as many women as I can with all kinds of struggles, whether it's your weight, whether it's cholesterol, whether it's joint pains, whether it's just getting energy into your body, into your mental state. This will help you in all levels, not just physical, mental, emotional. It truly is magical. I mean, I call it, like I always say, magical liquid vitamin. It is.
Yeah.
So cheers to that, my friend.
Cheers.
To juicing.
To juicing.
All right, guys, so stay tuned. I will be going to people's homes and I'm gonna be doing interviews on their juicing experience, what juicing has done, and we're gonna make it into a like live series reality show. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so now and keep following me.